In this short video, we'll explore creating a project within the Sync platform. The project is a starting point for many different workflows, including sending transactions to your vendors. So let's get started. We'll select the hard hat icon, or the projects icon, from the left-hand menu. Click on Create a Project, and a new page will load. We'll see across the top there are 4 steps to creating this project. The first step is the description of the project. You can assign lots of information about the project, but you really only need to fill out fields with the red asterisks. If you like to segment your customers, we have the ability to create and edit different types. You can select from a list if you've already populated the types of customers you have, or you can use the Edit Types button here to create new ones. Once we're done with the description step, we'll click right on the number 2, and we'll go to the customer step. Here we select the customer for the project. If you have customers loaded in your Sync account, you can open up the drop-down and select the applicable customer. If you don't have any customers or you need to set up a new customer, simply click the blue New button, and you can enter information about your new customer. You can see I've entered the address information. You can continue down and add emails, phones, websites if you wish, but you don't need to. So when you've got the address in, click Save. We validate each address, so you'll get a little message here. If you want to accept the validation recommendations, you click OK. If you need to change the billing address for the customer, you can do so over here on the right. Just click No, and you can add a new address. I'm going to add a customer project number as well. So when we're ready to move on to step 3, just simply click the 3 at the top. This is where we select the building or the structure for this project. If it was an existing customer that had existing buildings, you would have a drop-down to select from. Since I just set up this customer, I don't have any buildings, so I'm going to hit New Building. Similar to the customer, a light box will open and you can give this a name. The address will pre-populate, but if you needed to change that, you could do so here. Or if the address of the building is not the same as the customer, you could click No and then adjust the address as well. When you have the address selected, click Save. Again, the validation reference. And the last step is the dates, step 4. So I'm going to click 4. And if you wanted to add dates to this project, you could do so on this page. You can add a new type of date. And you don't need to assign any dates at all if you don't want to. So you could just simply hit the Submit button in the lower right corner. And now your project is created. A new page will open on the profile of this project where we've captured all the information from the wizard. In the next video, we'll cover the different aspects of the project.